In this video, you will learn how to add, delete, and rename worksheets in Excel. An Excel workbook is organized into separate worksheets. These worksheets can be added, deleted, and renamed. Let's get started. One way to add a worksheet is by using the New Sheet control. To do this, click the plus sign icon to the right of the Last Sheet tab. This adds a new worksheet to your workbook. As you can see, Sheet 4 has been added. A second way to add a worksheet is by using the ribbon. To do this, go to the Home tab, then go to the Cells group, click the Insert down arrow, then select Insert Sheet. You can see that a new worksheet, Sheet 5, has been added. A third way to add a worksheet is from the Sheet tab. To do this, right-click a Sheet tab, then select Insert. The Insert dialog box appears. In the General tab, select Worksheet, then select OK. A new worksheet, Sheet 6, has been added. Now that you've learned how to add worksheets, let's look at how to delete worksheets. One way to delete a worksheet is from a Sheet tab. To do this, right-click the Sheet tab of the worksheet that you want to delete. So here I will right-click Sheet 6, then select Delete. Sheet 6 has now been deleted. A second way to delete a worksheet is by using the ribbon. To do this, first select the Sheet tab of the worksheet that you want to delete. I will select Sheet 5, then go to the Home tab, then to the Cells group, then click the Delete down arrow, then click Delete Sheet. Sheet 5 has now been deleted. Now let's look at how to rename worksheets. One way to rename a worksheet is by using the ribbon. To do this, go to the Home tab, and go to the Cells group, and then click the Format down arrow, then select Rename Sheet. You can see that Sheet 1 has been highlighted. We can now rename the sheet, then hit Enter. The worksheet has now been renamed. A second way to rename a worksheet is by right-clicking the Sheet tab. To do this, select the sheet that you want to rename. I will select Sheet 3, right-click it, then select Rename. Then I will rename it to Sales, hit Enter, and the worksheet has been renamed. A third way to rename a worksheet is by double-clicking the Sheet tab. Here I will double-click Sheet 2, then rename it, hit Enter, and the worksheet has been renamed. This is probably the quickest way to rename a worksheet. A few more things to note. Sheet names have a 31-character limit. Additionally, the following characters are not allowed: question mark, asterisk, backslash, slash, square brackets, and colon. So please keep this in mind when renaming your worksheets. In this video, you learned how to add, delete, and rename worksheets in Excel. I hope this video has been helpful. I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so you can be notified of new videos. Also, please give the video a like if it has helped you. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired and keep learning.